Hari Om. Humble pranams at the lotus feet of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda and the Guru Parampara. The essence of Chinmaya. The real Guru is the pure intellect within, and the purified, deeply aspiring mind is the disciple. In Kerala, the birthplace of Adi Shankara and many other spiritual leaders, was born Balakrishna Menon in the city of Ernakulam on May 8, 1916. In 1939, he earned BA degree from St. Thomas College and later postgraduate degree in literature and law from Lucknow University. While a student, he was actively participated in India's freedom movement. In 1945, he joined a leading newspaper, the National Herald, as a regular feature writer. This time, he was influenced by the writings of Swami Shivananda, a teacher of Vedanta. Then he renounced the world and joined Swami Shivananda's ashram in 1949. On 25th February 1949, on the holy day of Mahashivaratri, Balakrishna Menon was initiated into sannyasa at the age of 33 by Swami Shivananda and gained the new name Swami Chinmayananda Saraswati. Swami Shivananda urged the young initiate to study with one of the greatest Vedantic masters of that time, Swami Tapovan Maharaj at Uttarakashi. Swamiji was devoted to an intensive study of the scriptures under the master. In 1951, the young sadhu left Himalayas with bold conviction of bringing the teaching of Vedanta to the common people. Over the next 42 years, he captured many hearts and minds with his wit and wisdom across the globe. With words as his tool, Swamiji worked dynamically to rebuild India.
Each individual is a unit in this universe, in this world. And all these individuals put together is called the community or the nation or the world itself. Apart from the individuals, there is no world. You change, the world will change. The world must change so that I may be happy in the world. This is called a materialistic point of view. We have lived in for thousands of years we have been struggling to beautify the world and not beautifying you. Through individual perfection alone, world perfection can be aspired.
Swamiji said, "You change and the world around you will change." And he proved it with his own life.
There is perspiration only. Disastrous sorrows only. Disappointment and dejection come in labor, but it can never come to a work.
In 1953, a small group of enthusiastic devotees formed the Chinmaya Mission in Madras to formalize and organize the works of Swamiji. Chinmaya Mission, a spiritual, educational and charitable non-profit organization to spread the knowledge of Advaita Vedanta, the Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishad and ancient Hindu sculptures. Swami Chinmayananda returned to God's heavenly abode on August 3, 1993 in California at the age of 77. After Gurudev attained Mahasamadhi at Siddhabari, his disciple Swami Tejomayananda became the global head of Chinmaya Mission. In January 2017, Guruji assigned the headship of Chinmaya Mission worldwide to Swami Swarupananda. Chinmaya Education Movement is the most valuable contribution of Chinmaya Mission to the society, started on 20th May 1965 at Kollangood. Chinmaya Mission administered by Central Chinmaya Mission Trust in Mumbai. There are around 330 mission centers all over India and abroad. It includes 8 Chinmaya colleges, 93 Chinmaya Vidyalayas and other study groups to spread the vision of Gurudev. Chinmaya Vidyalayas are schools with a difference.
So the goal must be beyond your expectation of reaching at any time. And the more you try to reach out the goal, it should not reach. But you struggle on, keep on struggling, you find you have left the level in which you are living. A goal must be. Higher the goal, greater the inspiration.
Due to the effort of Swamiji, Bhagavad Gita has today become a popular guidance manual for the purposeful and peaceful life. Be proud to be the part of the institution of a great legend who worked for the integration of mankind.
Thoughts flow as the Ganga flows through all the torment of life. To achieve what? Calmness, serenity, peace. I do not regret having lived. The question I ask myself is, have I lived well?
गुरुदेव